every stock, no matter how good, you still need to know how to time it. So now that we know that US is the best market to invest, right? And we know that one of the important ways to screen is make sure that these are great companies, right? The question is, now that I shortlist all the great companies, right? I teach our students the 10 steps to select the great companies. So what do we do? When do we buy? When do we sell? Right? That's the next most important. And the next step depends on whether you are investor or trader. Okay? So if you are investor, you use a different way. If you're mid-term trader, that means you keep for a few months. When you buy, when you sell is different. And when you're short-term, it's also different. So you need to be clear which style you're using. Okay? So let me give you an example of short-term trading. Okay? So this is Starbucks chart. Right? So instead of doing for long-term, you can do short-term. Right? We will actually teach you this chart type called candlestick. Yeah? So what is candlestick? These are just treat as a bar. Okay? One day is one bar. Okay? So this is a day, and this is the stock price. Yeah? So every day you have one bar. White means the market go up on the day. The stock price went up. Black means it comes down. And this price pattern shows you the psychology of the market. And where people are more likely to buy, where people are more likely to sell. And whether the trend is good or bad. Okay? Whether people are hesitating or people are bullish, means they are confident. So when I just show you this, right, intuitively, do you know when to buy, when to sell? Just the chart. You don't see a pattern, right? But what if I draw some lines for you? Do you see some pattern right now? Yeah. So trading is about recognizing market pattern. So when I show you this, right, it shows you there's an area where people more likely to buy. Right? This is also another area, people more likely to buy. And this is an area where people start to sell. Okay? Why? Because it doesn't go beyond that. Okay? So after that, it goes to another level. Right? There's a certain behavior for stock. Okay? After a while, people think that Starbucks is worth more, then it go to the next level. Okay? Maybe after a good earnings announcement. This one because of a good earnings. Okay? So with this pattern, you can actually decide where to buy. If you're a mid-term trader, you would have bought there and sell around here after a few months. So you will recognize that there's a pattern here, people are willing to buy here. And this is where, first time people are selling, you will know that's the place. So next time come back here, can you sell here? Because that's when people sell there, right? And if you miss this, the next time come back here, you can still sell. So people are looking at each other, where they sell and they sell. That's what trading pattern is about. These are simple trading pattern. There are simple one to advanced. Even with this simple one, you can make money. Okay, you don't need a lot advanced when you start. Okay, so for example, if you're a mid-term trader, you buy at 29, you sell 37. Can you make money? Yes, you make $8. And what is $8 divided by $29? You're making 27.6% return in a few months. Is that good? Yeah, that's very good. So it's November to April, 5 months only. So what if you want to be more active? Okay, so this is what you can do. You buy here. First time and second time, you may not know this is the highest point. So after the third time, you decide to sell here. Yeah, sell here. Then you buy back again. Then you sell. Buy, you sell. Buy, sell. Okay. After that, this is earnings. We always ask people to close your position because when they have an earnings announcement, they can beat earnings or they can miss. Okay. So there's a risk there. So after you close, then there's an earnings. They come back to square one. Okay. So then you buy and you sell. You repeat the pattern. And if you do this, you make another $13. You make $13.